Hi friend, I'm going to show you how a WindVane works. What is a WindVane? It is a device which measures the direction of wind. Astronomer Andronicus invented a WindVane. How to make a WindVane is, I have taken two plates and I have pierced the pencil in the middle of the top plate, and I have taken a straw and cut out both sides and then pierced two arrows into it, and then I have pierced a pin in middle of the straw, and then it went right into the rubber of the pencil. And now I'll put it in the wind. Look! It's pointed toward the west. Always place at the highest point of buildings. Let's see the uses of a WindVane. Meteorologists use a WindVane, and also sailors and golf players also use that. And it's used for many other applications too. The world's largest and functional WindVane is at Montague, Michigan. It is 48 feet tall and its arrow is 26 feet tall. Isn't it interesting? Let's watch more interesting facts in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.